Okay, hi guys. So today I'm sitting with my student Astha Bhanot from batch 45, who's just gotten recommended on 15th of November from 4 AFSB Varanasi. मेरा वो तो पहले से ही दिख रहा है कि your sense of responsibility towards your family, towards yourself, and towards the institutions wherever you've studied, it's very high because you've already taken the responsibility of your family at a very young age.
Yes, sir.
Because of the health issues of your father. I'm very happy that now you're going to become an Air Force officer. I mean, your parents are going to feel super proud of you when they see you in uniform. तुम्हारे जैसे लोग चाहिए फौज में who can hold ground और खास करके जिनका सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत हाई है. तो मतलब वो मुझे फीलिंग आती है कि अगर कॉन्फ्रेंस में बैठा हूँ और अगर आस्था भानोत अगर मेरे साइड में है, सपोज मैं ऑपरेशंस में हूँ, तो आई वांट समबडी लाइक हर कि अगर मैं किसी ऑपरेशंस में हूँ तो आई कैन फॉल बैक ऑन हर कि यू नो शी विल टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग इन द बैक एंड इफ आई एम इन द फ्रंट. Okay, hi guys. So today I am sitting with my student Astha Bhanot from batch 45, who's just gotten recommended on 15th of November from 4 AFSB Varanasi for Aeronautical Engineering L branch in the Indian Air Force. Welcome, Astha.
Thank you so much, sir. Um,
And
it's an honor to be here and to interact with you like this after the classes.
hey, thank you so much for making time so that I can reach to maximum people through your voice as to what exactly happens at SSB with ISV. In fact, I should be thanking you so much for taking out time for us. Uh,
Thank
so
you, sir.
guys, uh, so guys, Astha is an IT engineer from Guru Nanak Dev College of Engineering, Ludhiana, Punjab, and she joined us in batch 45. इसके पहले वो शायद एक बार SSB दे चुकी थी, right?
Yes, sir.
That was for which entry, beta?
So that was for ND entry, 149th course.
And what was the result that time?
Sir, I was conferenced out from 14 SSB Allahabad.
Okay, so that time your choice was Army.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start. Why don't you talk about your family? Hmm.
Yes, sir. So, sir, firstly, my name is, as you said, Astha Bhanot. In my family, sir, there are five people, including me. So, my grandmother is the eldest, followed by my father, my mother, and I have a younger sibling, a sister who is in class 12 and is currently pursuing physics, chemistry, biology. And sir, as far as my family dynamics are concerned, because my father does not stay in best of his health, so my mother looks after most of the family work, and I help my mother in doing so as far as the finances are concerned. And my mother is a teacher, so that's how we coordinate. My mother is a private teacher wherein she teaches class 10 students social studies, and that is as far as my family dynamics are concerned.
Let's talk more about your education, your class 10th, class 12th, and your graduation, your scores. Where did you study, which board, and any specific academic achievement that you want to highlight?
Yes, sir. So, sir, I did my class 10 from CBSE board from Bharatiya Vidya Mandir School in Ludhiana itself. Therein, sir, I had gotten 96.2% marks in my board exams. Thereafter, I picked up physics, chemistry, maths as my subjects because, sir, I always wanted to join the defense forces. And so I was guided if I pick up these subjects, in that case, it would be more beneficial for me. Therein, sir, in my CBSE boards, I scored 96.4% marks. After that, sir, I had appeared for my NDA exam, which I cleared it at that time with marks of around 500. And on grounds of my board exam marks only, I had gotten admission in Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College in BTech in Information Technology, which is affiliated to Punjab Technical University. Throughout this time, sir, I have been a part of various competitions as such. And as far as my purely academic achievements are concerned, in sir class 11, I was a part of National Science Fair organized by CBSE because in North Zone, all the states that are in North Zone, in that category, we were first in our category. So we were representing our zone at national level. That is one achievement. And sir, I've been CBSE Hindi topper, so that is the other academic achievement. And in my class 12, I was school topper. So that has been the nature of my academic achievements in school. In college, sir, I've not had academic achievements as such because my performance had been quite average, I would say. I've been an 80% scorer, so first division it is, but that's all about the college life academic achievements.
मेरा वो तो पहले से ही दिख रहा है कि योर सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स योर फैमिली, टुवर्ड्स योर सेल्फ एंड टुवर्ड्स द इंस्टीट्यूशंस वेर एवर यू स्टडीड, इट्स वेरी हाई बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ योर फैमिली एट अ वेरी यंग एज
Yes, sir.
because of the health issues of your father. I'm very happy that now you're going to become an Air Force officer.
Thank
Uh,
you, sir.
I mean, your parents are going to feel super proud of you when they see you in uniform. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how do you keep yourself physically fit and mentally sound?
Sir, for physical fitness, every day I make sure that I'm working out for 30 to 40 minutes. And it's very simple workout in which I do skipping or hopping, planks, then, sir, crunches seldom I do, star jumps. So these are different small activities which I take part in to make sure that I'm physically fit, and I do it every day. And other than that, to make myself mentally sound, sir, I have this habit of doing journaling. So every day I sit back and journal. And in that, sir, I particularly record my emotions only. That if there has been some event in my life, why did I react this way? What prompted me to react that way, so that I can analyze my shortcomings as a person and work on them.
So, you reflect on yourself.
Yes, sir.
तो बेसिकली तुम्हारा अपना इंसाइट, अपने आप को कितना जानते हो, दिस
Yes, sir.
इंक्रीजेस डे बाय डे.
Yes, sir, it does.
I want to tell the viewers that key insight is a very important part of your selection at the SSBs or the AFSBs because it is also one of the factors which we consider while imparting trainability ke marks to you. Like I keep saying, minimum acceptable level plus trainability is equal to average potential officer. If this equation balances, so then you get recommended. तो ये trainability के factors में one of the factors is insight, जो अपने आप को जानता है. एंड एक्सेप्टेंस है, एक्सेप्टेंस अपनी वीकनेसेस का होता है, स्ट्रेंथ्स का नहीं होता. तो वो आई थिंक यू आर डूइंग इट रियली वेल.
Yes, sir.
So let's come to our sessions. So you were my one of my star candidates in batch 45 because I remember clearly about you that कि थर्ड या फोर्थ क्लास में ही मैंने बोल दिया था कि आस्था तू रिकमेंड हो सकती है.
Yes, sir. It was online GD wala class when you had said it. And sir, when you said it, I noted it down on my notes and I would read it every time when I would feel a little demotivated. कि नहीं sir ने बोला था I can do it. So I would keep it in my mind all the time.
तो पता लग जाता है ना, लाइक आई हैव सीन मोर देन 12,500 कैंडिडेट्स इन माय करियर अपीयरिंग फॉर द एसएसबी. सो इनफैक्ट बोर्ड भी बनाया है, तो आई हैव सेट द
Yes, sir.
प्रैक्टिसेस एट एसएसबी कोलकाता. तो तुम्हारे जैसे लोग चाहिए फौज में, हु कैन होल्ड ग्राउंड, और खास करके जिनका सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत हाई है. तो मतलब वो मुझे फीलिंग आती है कि अगर कॉन्फ्रेंस में बैठा हूँ और अगर आस्था भानोत अगर मेरे साइड में है, सपोज मैं ऑपरेशंस में हूँ, तो आई वांट समबडी लाइक हर, कि अगर मैं किसी ऑपरेशंस में हूँ तो आई कैन फॉल बैक ऑन हर कि शी विल टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग इन द बैक एंड इफ आई एम इन द फ्रंट, बिना बोले.
Yes, sir.
So let's talk. So being a girl, so your journey in my class, how was your journey in batch 45 and how was the learning different for you? How did you feel in my class?
Sir, in your classes, when we were added to the group and we had our first class, I observed that most of the students were boys. And we were three girls who were a part of your class. But, sir, even then, the way that you would teach and how you would teach, honestly, I never felt like कि यहाँ पर लड़कियां कम है या as such, anything different like that. So, the way, sir, that you would teach, it was so clear as to what to do and how to do in a very gender neutral way. So we could understand what are the requirements from us. Because also, sir, I think that because the selection procedure is also the same for boys and girls. So in that particular sense also, I was very clear through your guidance that मेरे को वहां पर perform कैसे करना है. And sir, I remember in your classes you used to continually say कि SSWC नहीं करना वहां पर जाकर. So sir, I remember when I was sitting in my GD and actively thinking of points to speak, even then at back of my head I had your voice telling me SSWC नहीं करना. Open your mouth only if you have something valuable to say. So, sir, my experience in batch 45 was such that it gave me the exposure to learn different things and also to सबसे पहले to understand कि what is the procedure demanding from me. so that I don't go there and do the things which are not appropriate for me to do, just putting up a show to falsely project somebody whom I am not. So through your classes, sir, the experience was such that I was very confident in accepting myself. That this is how I am, and I will make sure that I can make myself best in the direction I already am, instead of making myself a false personality.
चल ये भी बता दे SSWC क्या है? What's the full form?
Sir, shooting shit with confidence.
Yeah.
So वो नहीं करना.
कभी नहीं करना, चाहे तुम फौज में हो चाहे कहीं पे भी हो. इफ यू डोंट नो समथिंग, डोंट ओपन योर माउथ. A wise man
Yes,
knows
sir.
when to open his mouth and how much to open his mouth. So, Acha, tell me one thing. So, is the selection process any different? Any task is different for you? Was something different for you as women nowadays in the SSBs and the FSBs?
Sir, particularly in AFSB, though I felt nothing was difficult or nothing was different because we had 10 obstacles, the same 10 obstacles in individual obstacles. Boys also do the same, we also do the same. So, throughout the selection procedure, nowhere I felt that there is something that is different. So, we are shown pictures to write stories on. We are also given the words, and they are also given the words to write it down. However, sir, I would say one thing. I don't know, is it different or not? But sir, I observed that over there, some girls were coming out of their interviewing hall crying. And when I asked them as to why are you crying, and they said that we were really grilled in our interview. So maybe that could be something that could be a little different for boys and girls, the way they grill in the interview. But other than that, sir, throughout the procedure, I did not feel that anything is different as far as the SSB standard procedure is concerned.
It is just the stress handling capability. In your case,
Yes, sir.
the stress handling capability is very high. You've already taken charge of your family
Yes, sir.
and you know yourself better than anyone else. कोई 5 दिन में वो 14-15 घंटे के असेसमेंट कितना ही जान लेगा तुम्हारे बारे में. तुम अपने आप अपना जर्नल लिख रही हो तो तुम्हारा स्ट्रेस हैंडलिंग कैपेबिलिटी बहुत हाई है. तो तुमको कोई क्या ही ग्रिल कर लेगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
एंड आउट अबाउट योर सेल्फ. सो क्या हर्डल्स थे यार प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे, मेंटल फिजिकल हर्डल्स, एंड हाउ दोज हर्डल्स वेंट अवे एट ISV?
Sir, the physical hurdle was this only, that would I be able to firstly pick up the plank or not? Do I have enough strength in my arms to do it, and also to do the individual obstacles? So for that, sir, as I said, I was working out regularly. I felt that I could do the physical, in the physical aspect, I could deal with the tasks properly. Sir, in the mental aspect, first thing was this journaling. Other thing, sir, you had told us in our class to do the Johari window test. And so when I did it, I got an auto suggestion of doing the Nohari window test also. And I sent these tests to all my friends. And when they selected their options, I got to know how are my friends thinking of me. And one good thing about my friends is that they're very honest. So particularly in the negative traits, there were a few things which I felt कि I am not like this. पर अगर हर कोई सोच रहा है कि वो एक चीज है जो मुझ में गलत है, तो वो पक्का गलत होगी. So then I used those learnings of yours कि मैं वो अपनी shortcomings को मैं mold up कर पाऊँ. And also sir, the way that you had said कि after taking these tests and also understanding the selection procedure and also doing the MBTI test, we would get to know कि हमारा वो गैप क्या है, हमारी पर्सनालिटी का वो गैप क्या है. सो इन सब चीजों को कंबाइन करके जो मुझे लगा कि मेरे में ये शॉर्ट कमिंग्स है, जैसे वन शॉर्ट कमिंग सर आई शेयर, आई एम अ वेरी रिजर्व पर्सन. तो इट्स अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट और रादर आई से मोर ऑफ अ टास्क फॉर मी कि मैं जाके किसी से बात करूं और घुलूं मिलूं. तो मेरे सब फ्रेंड्स ने दे हैड पॉइंटेड दिस थिंग आउट इन द जोहारी विंडो. And then, sir, when I got to know कि मेरा ये एक gap है, this being one of the many gaps, then sir I started to actively work on it. So through your classes only, ये जो अलग-अलग assessment, खुद का assessment करने के जो templates है, I could get it. And sir also again saying the thing कि क्योंकि आपने बोला था कि don't shoot shit with confidence, don't put up a show. Combining all these things, I use these to mold myself in a way कि I can present myself in the best way possible over there.
See, it's very much possible that कि a person can be a solo operator, single operator भी हो सकता है. बट जब समय आएगा तो वो कोऑपरेटिव एफर्ट डालेगा. तो तुम्हारे केस में you can be थोड़ा सा socially reserved also, but तुम cooperative
Yes, sir.
होगी ये तो मुझे बहुत पहले पता चल गया था. And your sense of responsibility, I have no doubt about it. Right from day one, जब मैंने PIQ फॉर्म देखा उसके बाद बातचीत करी, मुझे 100% क्लियर था कि this girl is there. So okay, let's talk about the most important part. ठीक है, I have to read this because while learning the GTO techniques from me, what were the other things that you kept doing in terms of your routine or preparation? Because see, we get to hear a lot of things that कि online GTO कैसे help कर सकता है. So what do you have to say after taking this classes from me, online GTO? Yeah.
Sir, online GT की class, I'll be very honest, before being a part of ISV, even I used to think कि मैं वहां पे फट्टे अटकाऊंगी कैसे. And sir, in your class, I remember you had taught us the concepts very well. कि how to resourcefully use our helping materials. कि जो structures हम बनाए वो stable हो. ऐसा नहीं कि वहां पे गधा मजदूरी करके कुछ भी रख करके कर दिया. There is a concept, there's a idea, not a idea, there's a concept behind doing these things. कि rope कहाँ पर बांधनी है, load को कैसे balance करना है, कहाँ पर force जाएगी तो फट्टा ऊपर आएगा या नीचे आएगा. That thing was so clear in my mind after your class that I knew exactly what to do. But sir, even then I will say that there was a very small voice at back of my head which was telling me कि यार I have not like physically touched an obstacle, तो मैं वहां पर जाकर क्या करूंगी. And sir, the moment I entered the GTO ground and I saw the obstacles, in that moment only, sir, my confidence rose up because instantly I could think कि यहाँ पर प्लैंक को रख सकते हैं, पीछे से रोप बांध सकते हैं. It just happened such a smooth and buttery way that I could very easily think कि हाँ ठीक है इसको ऐसे हम solve कर सकते हैं. That's a different thing that as a group we could not uh, make those things move ahead क्योंकि हमारे group में ही आपस में थोड़ी सी वो misunderstandings which are part of these tasks. एक बंदा अपना solution देगा, एक अपना देगा. But only as far as solving these tasks is concerned, it was very clear to me in my mind. Even in my command task, sir, I remember I gave a solution, and over there the GTO said कि he changed the colors of that solution, and so I could easily think of दूसरा solution only क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि कहाँ पे फट्टा रखना है और रोप कहाँ पर और कैसे बांधनी है. So then he again changed the color. Then I gave him a third solution, and he again changed the color, and then I gave him a fourth solution, and after that it was done. अगर सर मुझे वो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं पता होते कि इसको बैलेंस कैसे करना है, देयर इज अ फुल सर्टेनिटी के वहां पे जाके मैं घबरा जाती कि अरे कलर चेंज कर दिया अब मैं क्या करूं. बट सर बिकॉज द कॉन्सेप्ट वाज सो क्लियर, आई न्यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू. इंस्टेंटली मेरे भी दिमाग में नहीं आया बट आई कुड फाइंड अ वे अराउंड इट बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट.
So it was always about how you deal with volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguity. And that's why the GTO keeps regulating the stress. वो स्ट्रेस रेगुलेटर उसके हाथ में होता है, वो बस खाली तुम्हारे बिहेवियर मैनिफेस्टेशंस को दिखता रहता है कि यार ये स्ट्रेस को कैसे हैंडल करेगा कैंडिडेट. बिकॉज अगर तुम फौज ज्वाइन करो तो तुम वो का ही ज्वाइन कर रहे हो. ठीक है, ऐसा तो होगा नहीं ना कि मतलब तुम ऑपरेशंस में जा रहे हो तो तुम रस्सी फट्टा बल्ली लगाओगे और एनिमी
यस सर.
फट्टा बल्ली लगाने.
यस सर.
ऐसा तो होगा नहीं. इट इज जस्ट अ मेथड, इट जस्ट अ टूल कि तुम
यस सर.
कैसे हैंडल करते हो, दैट्स इट, और कुछ भी नहीं है. There's nothing very great about रस्सी फट्टा बल्ली. लाइक आई कीप सेइंग कि अब्बा जब पलटा
यस सर.
मैं वो दे दूंगा, मैं क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
यस सर.
So now tell me, how has the psych part helped you at ISV, the way we mentor on psych technique?
Sir, I remember when I gave my mock psych test after writing those stories and the WAT SRT self description, I felt that I did exceptional. Only until I got the review, and I got a very precise review. I remember Ritu sir had said the first thing that he said was that your psych test looks more like Shark Tank and less like psych test because all of my stories were around one same theme only. So, sir, his feedback was so precise that he very clearly told me that these are my shortcomings that I need to work on. And because the feedback that he had given me was so clear, I could also very actively work on those shortcomings in as many days as I had before going to my SSB. So the review being so clear, crisp, it at my end left no ambiguity for me to improve myself. So that was where psych test really helped me because otherwise I would have never known that I'm not thinking through different things. I am writing the same story on different pictures and I'm thinking as if I have written great tech savvy stories, but every story is the same. So I think, sir, the psych feedback really helped me a lot because without it, I would have done the same thing over there.
एक बात है यार, बचपन में यू वेंट कि हाँ मेरे को एनडीए जाना है, और फिर
Yes,
उसके
sir.
बाद ग्रेजुएशन करके देन यू थॉट कि चलो एक बार एयरफोर्स ट्राई करते हैं।
Yes,
तो
sir.
एंड यू सेड कि तुम्हारे घर में, तुम्हारे परिवार में फौज में कोई है नहीं।
Yes, sir.
व्हाट मोटिवेटेड यू टू लुक फॉर अ करियर इन द इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस? ऐसा क्या रीजन है, व्हाई डिड यू वांट टू जॉइन द फौज?
So the initial motivation actually happened because there was a friend of mine who was very interested in joining. And so whenever we would talk, the great storyteller that he would tell me the stories. And from there, my interest started to spark, just as in, "Okay, I want to read more what is happening." More I read, eventually a time came when all my social media was full of military content. And that was where the seeds of interest were sown. This also prompted me, sir, to take a part in the NDA written exam because I felt that if there is a profession and if there are these professionals who are the most badass in our country, that has to be the military. So I gave the exam. Unfortunately, I couldn't clear the SSB. So then, sir, I joined NCC also. And also, sir, in my college only, thankfully, we have had a lot of college pass outs who've been a part of forces. So our college keeps inviting them on Foundation Day or the youth festivals or college induction as such. So we get to interact with them. And through NCC also, sir, more I interacted with different officers, more I felt that I want to be like them. And all of them, sir, would say one thing which was common in what all of them would say was that there's a very strong sense of family and belonging within the forces, and I wanted to have it. I felt like this is that one feeling that I don't want to miss out on. So that was eventually what shaped my interest towards joining the forces. And sir, particularly because I have appeared for AFCAT, and that also in aeronautical engineering, that also, sir, happened because I would read about it so much and I realized how tech savvy it is and at the same time how badass it is. And sir, it would give me this thought constantly that never in my life will I ever get a chance to stand next to, let alone work on equipment which costs crores. So my motivation was a mix of all of these different sources.
तेरा पहले से ही सिचुएशनल अवेयरनेस बहुत अच्छा है, थोड़ा बहुत ट्रिम करके तूने और उसको शाइन कर दिया। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, द सेम फीलिंग इवन आई हैड जब मैं अपनी एसएसबी देने गया था, दैट फीलिंग ऑफ फैमिली, बिकॉज आई
Yes, sir.
वांटेड फैमिली, दैट इज व्हाई आई केम टू द आर्म फोर्सेस। I was
Yes, sir.
perfectly well in my research. I was a research assistant to Professor Govind Swarup, and I was doing really well. I had a bright career. Swarup sir wanted me to do my master's at Stanford, and again join him to take the Solar Radio Telescope project to mass scale. And he was very clear that you work with me, and then I'll send you to masters, and then you come back, and then we'll build this. Um, I think that family thing was something that is common between you and I, coincidentally.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, so last but not the least, I'll ask you one more thing. Any message that you want to give to the young girls like you, who aspire or dream to, successfully join the Indian Armed Forces in any cadre, in any branch, whether Army, Navy, Air
Yes,
Force,
sir.
and then clear the SSB one day and probably become a fighter pilot, or join the L branch or the engineering branch of the Air Force, or join the Navy, so many branches, or probably regular Army. Any message that you want to give to the new upcoming aspirants?
Yes, sir. First thing I would say is that education is very important because, sir, to clear these written exams, it requires a degree of those that education that we should have studied in the first place to clear the exams. And even if in the SSB, I think it requires a certain amount of knowledge to be able to speak in different events like there's GD or there's lecturate. So to work on that education or that knowledge in the first place because it's second to none. And sir, the other thing is to be very confident in yourself because to clear a written exam also requires confidence. To tell yourself that I want to do this and that I would do this, that also requires confidence. And also, sir, over there in the interview hall, when the interviewing officer is checking you or assessing you through these different questions, or grilling is what we say. In that, sir, also confidence is very important for us to have that unshakable spirit. So I would say confidence. And so third is to be to have that mental toughness, because sir, this is that one field which is very rough and tough. Although it's not bad to be a sensitive person, I think it's great to have that ability to feel different emotions. However, the requirement of work here is such that we need to be mentally strong. So, to have that mental strength uh, in ourselves, I think that's the third thing that I would say. To have mental strength, to have confidence, and to study.
तो ये तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे जागा आईएसवी में आके? कुछ हुआ क्या
Sir,
आईएसवी?
yes, sir. In ISV, sir, I used to think that I am a good speaker because I have been a part of different public speaking events. But फिर भी सर मुझे लगता था कि एक ग्रुप अगर बोलेगा तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगी. So the way we did the our online GDs also, that made me confident कि नहीं ग्रुप बोलेगा तो मैं भी बोल सकती हूँ. Then sir also the group planning exercise, because sir I am saying these things क्योंकि मेरे को यहाँ पर लगा कि मेरा यहाँ पर लैक हो सकता है. तो इन ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो सर, द वे यू हैड टोल्ड अस कि उसको करना कैसे है, आफ्टर नोइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, इट इम्पार्टेड इन मी दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ अब मुझे पता है कि करना कैसे है, तो कर तो मैं सकती हूँ. तो द नो हाउ दैट वी लर्न आफ्टर कमिंग एट द ISV, द नो हाउ ऑफ SSB एंड डिफरेंट टास्क, दैट इज व्हाट गेव द कॉन्फिडेंस कि अब अंडरस्टैंडिंग है तो अब कर लेंगे.
160 के आसपास है ना, अबाउट 160 रिकमेंडेशंस हो गए मेरे पिछले 3 साल में. मैंने भी ये सोचा नहीं था लाइफ में कि मैं टीचर बनूंगा, क्योंकि मैंने सबसे पहला स्टूडेंट अपना जब पढ़ाया था तो वो मैंने पैराग्लाइडिंग करते करते पढ़ाया था. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, रेडियो सेट पे उसको थर्मलिंग करते करते मैंने उसको सूरज देखने के लिए बोला था. उसको बोला था चल बता 4 सेंटेंस में बता मेरे को क्या है स्टार तेरा, एंड तू क्या स्टोरी लिखेगा इसके ऊपर. ठीक है. और वहाँ पे मैंने सिचुएशंस इंड्यूस की थी कि अगर ये हो गया तो क्या करेगा, वो हो गया तो क्या करेगा, वाइल वी वर थर्मलिंग इन बीर बिलिंग.
यस सर.
तो आई रिमेम्बर कि मैंने अपना पहला स्टूडेंट तब पढ़ाया था. आज वो सर्विंग ऑफिसर है इन द नेवी, and he's now flying for Navy. I mean, he flies paragliding. I mean, he does paragliding professionally now for the Navy. So, वो
सर
है.
अबाउट
हाँ.
स्टार ओनली आई वुड से जस्ट वन थिंग कि सर
हाँ.
आपने वो चीज भी इतनी बार बोली थी ना कि स्टार बनना चाहिए, स्टार बनना चाहिए. सर आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई वाज ब्रीफिंग अबाउट द कमांड टास्क टू माय सबऑर्डिनेट्स आल्सो, आई आई यूज द सेम टर्मिनोलॉजी कि
हाँ.
सिचुएशन ये है, टास्क ये है, एक्शन अपन ये करेंगे. सो सर दैट आल्सो रियली हेल्प मी इन शेपिंग माय स्टोरीज आल्सो, कि एक आउटकम तो हो मेरी स्टोरी का, और एक एक उसका शेप हो, एक टेम्पलेट हो. That star technique also helped me so much that it has become a part of my daily life also now.
Hmm. It'll help you a lot in the armed forces because armed forces operate on that principle. तो मैं ये बोल रहा था कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हमेशा है ना याद रहेंगे ना, वो छाप छोड़ के जाते हैं दिल में. लाइक आई रिमेम्बर एक सूर्यभान सिंह राठौर था. फिर एक ये ललितेश है. फिर और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं ऐसे. ये अभी मुझे याद आ रहे हैं बिकॉज 160 अब मुझे सारे के सारे याद तो नहीं है. एक वो स्टूडेंट है जो ईएमई में कमीशन हुआ. आई थिंक नाउ ही इज गॉन फॉर पैरा प्रोबेशन. वो मेड का बच्चा था. मेरे एक जूनियर के घर पे एक मेड,
Okay.
उसका बेटा था. एंड देन नाउ यू आर देयर. तो देर आर सर्टन स्टूडेंट्स जो ऐसे छाप छोड़ के जाते हैं कि ये हमेशा याद रहेंगे. तो इन लोगों को जब मैं देखता हूँ तो मेरे को अपनापन एक वो दिखता है कि यार इन स्टूडेंट्स में मैं अपने आप को देखता हूँ, मेरे बचपन के वर्जन को, या मेरे टीनेज या मेरे अर्ली 20s के या लेट टीनेज के वर्जन को मैं देखता हूँ कि मैं भी तो ऐसे ही था. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू यू आस्था. एंड
Thank you, sir.
I'm telling you, I'm going to feel very proud the day you tell me मैसेज करके. I'm hoping कि तू कनेक्ट नहीं तोड़ेगी. So
Yes, sir, sure.
आज भी स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक आई हैव समबडी हु वाज गोइंग टू अंडमान, तो मुझे आके बोलता है सर मैं थोड़ा इधर हूँ सर बैंगलोर में, मेरा लेओवर है 10-12 घंटे का, चाय पीने मिलोगे क्या? तो माई स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम लाइक या कम आ जा यार, लेट्स सिट इन सम ऑसम मेस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. So you have left that mark. I remember this very well, and I'm wishing you all the very best. तू जब
Thank
कमीशन
you, sir.
I'll be in that list who's going to feel very proud कि यार ये मेरी स्टूडेंट थी, इसको अफसर बनाया मैंने.
Thank you so much, sir.
Do well, all the very best. And I hope that through this message that I'm trying to get out on my platform, people actually understand कि exactly ISP में होता क्या है. And with a bang, I'm going to release exactly the thing exactly ये डिजिटल जीटीओ ग्राउंड है क्या. मैं व्यूअर्स को ये बता दूं कि बहुत जल्दी इसका वीडियो मैं डाल दूंगा, तुम लोगों को पता चल जाएगा exactly ये है क्या. एंड एक लास्ट जाते जाते आई जस्ट गिव यू अ सजेशन, एक टिप देता हूँ. हॉप स्किप रन जंप एंड स्वेट एवरी डे. एक बार पसीना बहाओ दिन में, 45 मिनट, 30 मिनट, 1 घंटा. अगर तुम पसीना नहीं बहा रहे हो तो मेरे तरफ से तो अन्न ग्रहण ही मत करो. बट पसीना बहाओ एक दिन, एक एक दिन में एक बार पसीना बहना चाहिए तुम्हारा, उसके बाद ही खाना खाओ. ठीक है. सो गाइस, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट आस्था टू यू. थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच
you, sir.
this time, and hope to see most of you, if not all of you, join hands with me and witness the difference when you appear for your next SSB or the FSB.